Powering up the start of the boot process.
When you press the power button on a computer, electricity flows to the motherboard and key components. The processor immediately begins running basic instructions stored in a memory chip called the BIOS, or UEFI. This first action is essential for checking that the hardware is ready and working properly before anything else can happen.
Post, testing the hardware.
The power-on self-test, or post, is a built-in checkup that happens right after power-on. The BIOS or UEFI checks the CPU, memory, graphics card, and other crucial hardware. If all tests pass, the computer moves on. If there's a problem, you'll often hear beeps or see an error message alerting you to faulty components.
Finding the boot device.
Once the hardware checks are complete, the BIOS or UEFI looks for a device to load the operating system from. This is usually a hard drive or solid-state drive, but can also be a USB stick or CD. The order in which devices are checked is called the boot order and can be changed in the BIOS or UEFI settings.
Loading bootloader.
After finding the right device, the computer loads a small program called the bootloader into memory. The bootloader's job is to get the operating system up and running. It's a bridge between basic hardware startup and the loading of the full operating system, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux.
The operating system takes over.
The bootloader loads the core parts of the operating system, known as the kernel, into memory. Once loaded, the operating system begins controlling your computer's hardware and starts essential services. Soon, you'll see the familiar login screen or desktop, signaling that your computer is ready for use.